We're increasingly eating more fatty food, eating large meals, feasting, and pigging out. We eat a lot of spicy food, and we snack on all sorts of highly processed food. We cook with too much oil, too much butter, and too much grease. All of this is affecting our bodies. Many of us have already noticed some effects: problems with our skin, problems with our digestion, and just always feeling really tired. But what we fail to notice is the far more serious problem. Eating all of this oily and fatty food could be causing more damage to our bodies than we think. Damage to our liver. Just one single high-fat meal can disrupt our liver function. High-fat and oily foods can lead to the accumulation of fats on our liver, which then can lead to the inflammation of our liver. This puts us at risk for fatty liver disease, a potentially life-threatening complication. Our liver is incredibly important. It helps digest food, metabolizes fat, detoxifies our body, and cleans our blood. A healthy liver has the amazing ability to grow back and regenerate when damaged. But a damaged liver could easily put our life in danger. When most other parts of our body become inflamed, we can feel it. The area becomes hot and painful. An inflamed liver, however, may cause no discomfort at all. You generally don't feel it. So when we finally realize something is wrong with our liver, the problem has already become severe. An inflamed liver can cause all sorts of diseases and illnesses: fibrosis, cirrhosis, liver cancer, insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, malfunctioning fat metabolism, and even liver failure. Prevention is key to keeping our liver healthy. Eat a good diet to keep yourself healthy. Certain foods have a more beneficial effect on our liver than others. Chinese misona contains essential amino acids, fiber, polyphenols, flavonoids, and antioxidant components, including phenolic acids. May help protect the liver against oxidative DNA damage. Hovenia dulcis may inhibit liver fibrosis, the earliest form of liver disease. It contains the flavonoid quercetin, which inhibits liver inflammation and lipid oxidation, which is associated with DNA damage. Hovenia dulcis may reduce alcohol-related liver damage. Loquat leaf contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as triterpene acids. It has a very high antioxidant capacity. These antioxidants fight free radicals that cause DNA damage. Winter melon contains phytochemicals such as flavones and sterols, which may help protect the gastrointestinal tract and prevent gastric ulcers. It reduces free radical generation and strengthens the mucosal barrier. Green tea contains theanine, which has anti-inflammatory and liver protective effects that help promote digestive system health. EGCG, a major component of green tea, can inhibit inflammation in human intestinal epithelial cells. Chrysanthemum can act as a strong anti-inflammatory agent by significantly suppressing the production of nitric oxide. It's not hard to keep yourself healthy. Remember to eat these foods before, during, and after eating a large meal. High-calorie foods, high-fat foods, oily or greasy foods, spicy foods, highly processed foods. And whenever you think you need it, keep your liver healthy so that it can keep you healthy. Health is a daily habit. You need a great diet full of fruits and vegetables. On top of that, you need to drink plenty of fluids, keep your weight under control, and exercise daily. Take care of your body. Your health is in your hands.